Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the circuit and confirming what the emergency switch will control. Turn off the main or branch breaker, then verify zero voltage with a tester. Once done, remove the panel cover and identify the switch location and incoming power conductors. Mark neutral, live, and switch leg. Make sure to wear PPE and use insulated tools. You want clear labels and a clean work area so the wiring steps that follow are safe and unambiguous. You next wire the emergency switch so it interrupts the live feed to the load. Attach the supply live conductor to the switch line terminal and connect the switch output to the load conductor. Tighten to torque specs. Keep neutrals tied on the neutral bus. Do not switch neutral unless specifically required. Bond the green or bare grounding conductor to the switch ground screw and panel ground. Once wired, tuck wires neatly, ensure strain relief, and prepare for functional testing. You finish by restoring power and testing the switch under controlled conditions. Energize the circuit, then activate the emergency switch to confirm it cuts power cleanly and resets properly. Measure continuity and response time with a multimeter. Make sure indicator lights or status outputs behave as expected. Once verified, replace covers, label the switch clearly, and retorque terminals per spec. If something fails, immediately isolate power. Recheck terminal connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.